How to start Amazon affiliate marketing. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this you will have to open up any browser of your choice and search for Amazon Associates. After that, just open up the very first link you will see on the search results, and this is where it will lead you to. If you want to sign up for an associates account of Amazon or the affiliate account for US, then make sure that you look at this particular link. It is .in, so it is for India. And in case if you want to go for the US one, make sure that it is the amazon.com. So just click over here, and this way you would be able to open up Amazon affiliate program for different countries. You can also add the name of that particular country over here in order to search for that country particularly. So this is how it will appear. Now you can just simply create an account on it by clicking on this option of sign up. After signing up and providing all your details, you will be able to get through all of it, and this is how your account going to look like. Now you can just simply promote the products by going onto the Amazon's official website, and you can generate the link for that particular product in order to promote it and get the affiliate program working. So you need to make at least one sale using your link in next 180 days of your account creation, otherwise your account will get demoted or deactivated. So just keep this in mind while creating your account on Amazon Associates. And this is how you can start affiliate program on Amazon. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.